This is ready. Because obviously this is not the real food, right? I can't concentrate. You guys, for the first time in like a week, I put on the heater because what is this? Like my hands are freezing. Like I'm currently doing like a test. I could not concentrate. I don't even know what the weather says right now for God. See outside. Like you can't see anything. The visibility is so poor. Well, maybe up here, but like it's so. I beg, I don't want you know, I've been saying, I beg, the cold is not so serious. We can manage, you know. Let's save cut on our hydro bill, and because obviously this is not the real cold, right? Let's get accustomed to it. Almost, I can't concentrate. I don't do.
One eternity later.
I cannot believe that I spent the whole day, like practically the whole day, doing this test, and I didn't pass. You guys, I made my video go live. I didn't even have time. Like I could not, you know, be attending to my video rather. Oh, waste of my day. Oh shit. I've not even eaten all day. Like that's how much concentration I put into this thing. Just 2 marks. Nice one. You guys, I am so full right now. A colleague of mine used to say, they fed me and I became fed up. You guys, when I finished eating, that was the line that came to my mind. Like I literally fed myself and I became fed up. So yeah, you guys, I don't know how this vlog is going, but I hope you guys are enjoying it. Today, well, I'm not gonna beat myself up for what happened, but like I'm really bummed that I didn't pass that test, you guys, because it took me the whole day and I don't have all the time in the world. You guys, I'm making beans. This palm oil, since I brought it has always been sleeping. Like it has been, like the weather here is it's just bowing to the weather. So like I want it to pour out easily. That's what I'm doing. Like this is the first time I'm doing, like usually I will pressing it, so but this time I don't want to press. I want it to melt. So that's that, and I'm using fresh pepper blend. I love to always use fresh pepper blend. Like you guys, like what is this? Like you can't see anything. How they transition to winter time. You guys, I am terrified at the thought of winter, you guys, because I don't like cold. I like this fall weather, like, you know, I think I like it. This is ready. But the sad part is that there is no plantain. I've not gone grocery shopping since like, oh, we went on Saturday, but it's just that we didn't see a lot of things to buy. We went to North Rolls. The North Roll outlet that we saw was so small. Like, I don't know, like, is this everything? forget again, and I'm not even set to go out, but I'm preparing to go out. I need to go do some grocery shopping. I need energy boost, you guys. All of a sudden I started feeling hungry and weak. I don't know if this is a wise choice, but it's not cold outside. I have my glasses. It's now looking like I'm always wearing my glasses. Since I got these glasses, I've been wearing it everywhere. I have my glasses on because I need them at the grocery store so that I can, sight all the sightables. So I'm ready to leave. I need outfits check. So I went to Metro. They didn't have the shepherd peppers that I want. I want to make jollof, you guys. I want to make jollof, and I feel like that pepper is going to do it, to give it the vibrant color. Now I can't just use tomatoes and rodo. So that's what I'm looking for. I must buy that thing first. So I'm going to another grocery store. I searched for a grocery store, so I'm going there. No shepherd peppers, you guys. I walked at least 6 minutes to this place. But it's all good, at least I know there now. They said they will have around next week, so maybe I won't make jollof rice. I'll make fried rice. So maybe next week I'll come and check. I'll come and check back next week. Oh my god. Okay, bread then. Oh, this is the bread we like to buy because it's sweet. It's nice, very nice. So this I bought from Metro. These are the stuff I bought from Shoppers Drug Mart. I got deodorant, hand wash. It was on sale, so I got 2 of it. Moisturizing hand wash, shea and cocoa. Anything shea butter, cocoa, because it got chocolate. And also I got this soft soap, you guys. The first Airbnb we had, this was what left in the bathroom, and I love how on every wash we are exfoliating our body. So when I saw it, I immediately recognized it. I don't know if it's the exact fit variant, but yeah, I got this. It was also on sale. I think it was pink. I don't know where this is. I'm going to put the price. Well, I'll come back and see the price so that I will know the price. So I also got some bath bombs, you guys. lavender, of course, you guys. So when we went to an apartment, I was keen on having a bath store. Like I've always wanted to have a bath store, you know, for all the self-care nights and all of that. I remember when we stayed at Mario's, there was a huge bathtub, but I couldn't get a bath bomb. So I finally got my hands on one. This one was affordable. That was like, so those are all I got from Shoppers Vlogmas. So the sun. Okay. So for the food grocery or croissant, some they said it's hot pepper. I want to try it. I don't know what it's called. Frosted flakes. Want to try this out? I'm gonna make a stew, so I got this hot pepper. It's not hot at all. Well, to me, spring onions. This was the biggest bag I saw. Milk. Irish potatoes. Bell peppers. I want to make fried rice this weekend. Make fried rice. Garlic. Drumsticks. Some eggs. Frozen meat veggies. I got this cheese. Ask me why. I got water. When I was cooking this, I'm like, should you really be getting this? But I think it's time you should start trying to drink this tap water. I mean, the guy that came to fix our blinds, right when he was leaving, was like, can I get a refill? He had this bottle. He just took water from our tap. All he was telling me that, imagine somebody that just came to fix something in the house drank the water before you. I also got this coleslaw mix because we're eating a lot of carbs. We want to mix it up. Chicken whiners, I don't know, and turkey franks. We've had this before, it's nice, but I want to try this one because this one is cheaper. Orange juice. That's it for this all, you guys. The sun is sunny. It is giving. You guys, well, it's still kind of foggy, but it's not as gloomy as yesterday. I mean, the sun just came out. Imagine at this hour, nice sun just come out. So that's all that I got today. I'll catch you guys soon. Guys, I have nothing to say but that I just got done sorting everything out. And I'm enjoying this sun-kissed glow. You guys, whoa. Like, what? What is this beauty? Oh, guys, jokes aside, I'm so tired. I am tired. I just want to go take a shower and lay down. But hey, you guys, are you feeling this glow? Like, it's making my melanin pop like.